Imagine a life where money no longer keeps you up at night. A life where bills are paid, debts are cleared, and you have the freedom to focus on what truly matters. It might feel like a distant dream right now, but it's not. It's achievable. Today, we are talking about the real, tangible steps you can take to get there. But more than that, we are talking about peace. The kind of peace that comes from knowing that no matter what life throws your way, you've built a foundation strong enough to handle it. Financial security is more than just having money. It's about reclaiming control over your life. I want you to feel that power today as I unveil evidence that shows you are doing well financially.
Welcome to the FAM Podcast, a podcast about finance and mental health, teaching you good monetary habits to increase your income and improving your relationship with money, all while helping you with your mental well-being. And now here's your host, Braimoh.
Welcome back to the FAM Podcast. My name is Braimoh, and today I'm diving deep into something that can truly change your life. Financial security. And when I say financial security, I'm not just talking about having money in your bank. I'm talking about the freedom to live life on your own terms without the constant fear of what might happen if things go wrong. I know what it's like to be weighed down by financial stress. There was a time in my life when every day felt like a battle, juggling bills, struggling to pay off debts, and constantly worrying about the future. It wasn't just draining my bank account, it was draining my energy, my peace, and my ability to see a way out. But here is what I've learned. Financial security is possible, no matter where you start. And today I'm sharing 6 undeniable signs that prove you are on the path to true financial security. These are the steps that took me from surviving to thriving, and I know they can be the same for you. The step that you can take today, and you continue to work towards them and ensure you have that financial freedom. Evidence number 1, a fully funded emergency fund. The first clear sign of financial security is having a fully funded emergency fund. According to the Federal Reserve, nearly 40% of Americans couldn't cover $400 emergency expenses. That's half the population living in one unexpected bill from financial crisis. But imagine being prepared for having cushion that allows you to handle the unexpected without falling apart. Building an emergency fund was a turning point for me. There was a time when an unexpected car repair would have sent me into a spiral of stress and anxiety, because we know car will break down anytime, any day. But when I finally built that cushion, when I could say I'm prepared for whatever comes my way, everything changed. It wasn't just about the money, it was about the peace of mind that comes with it. I know it can feel impossible to start saving when you are barely getting by, but start small. Even £20 a month is a start. That's what I did. It wasn't easy, but every pound I put away was a promise to myself, a promise that I wouldn't be caught off guard again. Evidence number 2, you are debt-free or have a clear plan for debt management. Have a solid plan to pay off your debts. Debt can feel like a never-ending weight on your shoulder, holding you back from everything you want to achieve. I know this from personal experience. There was a point in my life when debt felt like it controlled me, like I was working just to stay afloat. But here's what changed. I made a plan. I broke it down debt by debt, and I focused on the smallest one first. And every time I made a payment, I felt a little bit lighter. I wasn't just paying off debts, I was taking back control bit by bit. As Dave Ramsey always say, I always quote him every time I'm talking, he said, debt is a thief of your future wealth. It steals from your dreams. But the moment you create a plan to pay it off, you begin to reclaim what's yours, even if you are deep in debt. Remember that every payment is a step towards freedom. You don't have to do it all at once, but you do have to start. You start from somewhere and work your way up. Number 3, you are able to save and invest consistently. The third sign of financial security is when you are able to save and invest whenever you want to. It doesn't mean saving massive amount of money at once. It's about the small, consistent action you take that compound over time. Just like planting a tree, the seeds you plant today, whether it's 50 pounds or 500 pounds, will grow into something powerful tomorrow. For me, investing was one of the most intimidating things to start. I didn't grow up learning about stocks, bond, or compound interest, but once I realized that I didn't need to be wealthy to start that I could begin with small, consistent contribution, it changed everything. As the saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time is now. Don't wait for the perfect time to start investing or saving. Start today, no matter how small. Consistency is the key to building long-term wealth. Number 4 evidence, you live below your means. Living below your means is one of the most empowering choices you can make. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about creating room to breathe. It's knowing that you have the discipline to make choices today that will set you up for tomorrow. This is your freedom. Living below your means gives you space to save, invest, and grow. It's about taking control of your financial future rather than letting it control you. Number 5, you have multiple income streams. Relying on just one source of income is like walking on a tightrope. It's unstable, but when you start to create multiple income streams, whether it's side hustle, rental income, online business, you start building a foundation that's strong and secure. I know for some of you, this might feel out of reach, but think about your skills, your passion, and how you can use them to create opportunities. When I started my side hustle, like this right now, it wasn't about just getting rich quickly. It was about building security, and every pound I earned outside of my main job was another layer of protection for me and for my family. In our episode, Side Hustle, I talked about the power of multiple income streams. It's about using your talent to create something sustainable. And with every additional stream of income, you are adding a pillar of strength to your financial foundation. That's the best thing you can do for yourself and for your family. Number 6, evidence. You don't lose sleep over finances anymore. This isn't just about how much is in your bank account. It's about the peace of mind that comes from knowing you've taken control. There's a study in Harvard that people who prioritize mental wellness are 23% more likely to avoid money-related stress. When your finances don't keep you up at night, when you know you are prepared for the unexpected, that's real wealth, my friend. For me, there's no greater sign of freedom than knowing that I can sleep peacefully because I built a safety net that will protect me and my family. And I want the same for you. If you are ready to take control of your financial journey, hit that subscribe button. Share this episode with someone who needs to hear it. We are building a community of people who are ready to reclaim their power and create financial freedom they deserve. That's what we do on the Farm Podcast, empowering you financially and mentally. Take control of your finances and of your mental well-being, because we know everyone can't be the same thing. Personal finance is personal. What works for you might not work for the other person. Your mental well-being is priceless. That means you cannot put price tag on your mental well-being. Here is what I want you to take away from this video today. Financial security is possible. It's not a distant dream. It's the result of small, intentional action that you take every day, whether it's building your emergency funds, paying off debts, saving, or creating new income streams. You are capable of all of it. But here's the most important part. You don't have to do it alone. We are in this together, my friend. And every step you take is a step towards freedom. Remember, financial security isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Every pound, every dollar, every naira saved, every money you save, every payment you made, every new skills you learn, it's all evidence that you are on the right path. So here is my challenge to you. Choose one thing from today's episode or the list I've mentioned above, whether it's building your emergency fund, finding a side hustle, or simply deciding to live below your means, and take action today. Every small step you take is a step towards financial freedom. And I want to hear from you. What's one thing you are going to focus on? Let me know on the comment below. Share your story with me. Whether it's through email, social media, or the comments, I want to know how you are taking control of your financial journey. Together, we are building a future where financial freedom and mental peace go hand in hand. And remember, personal finance is personal and your mental well-being is priceless. Stay safe, stay fabulous, and bye-bye.
Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the FAM Podcast. We hope you learned something valuable today. Be sure to subscribe wherever you heard this podcast so you never miss a future episode. And remember, health is wealth, and wealth is health. We'll see you next time.